Let's explore how to link an advance payment when creating an invoice. Please note, this tutorial focuses only on linking advance references. For a complete guide on creating invoices, please refer to our dedicated video. In the Invoice application, once you select the customer, the system automatically checks for any available advance amount. You'll see a notification showing the total advance amount available. Enter your invoice details as needed. In real-world scenarios, you typically have one advance voucher per order or invoice. The Invoice application allows you to reference only one advance payment at a time. Need to settle multiple advances? Use the Advance Settlement application instead. In the General tab, select the Advance Receipt reference. The system will automatically pull the remaining balance from that advance. If you want to adjust the amount, manually enter the advance amount to be applied, otherwise, leave it as is. Click Save. Your invoice will be created successfully. The advance details will appear on the printed invoice. If the payment terms are set to immediate, the system will prompt you, "Would you like to receive the remaining amount?" Click Yes to open the Account Receipt application. The remaining balance will auto-populate. No manual calculations needed. Enter any additional details and click Save. And that's it. The transaction is complete. Our system is designed for simplicity, seamless workflows, automatic calculations, and no room for errors. That's the power of a well-built solution. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.